Hey buddy,
Yeah,
do you know why was the ejaculating clam so nervous?
because I don't know.
He was coming out of his shell.
Oh fuck. So I'm guessing you're cooking clams today.
Good guess buddy, let's start.
All right, let's go. So what else we need?
Okay, it's very simple. I just need 3 cloves of garlic, about 2 thumbs of ginger, and 4 stalks of spring onions. Okay, so we just need to slice the gingers and the garlic, cut the stalk of the spring onion about 2 centimeters long, and cut the leaves, slice them thinly. We'll use it for the garnish.
So that was your dry ingredient. So what's your wet ingredient?
Oh, you and the wetness.
Okay.
Alright, okay, let's get into it. Alright, the first thing is a 1/4 cup of Chinese cooking wine and 1.5 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of mushroom powder or any other powder that you like, chicken, beef, whatever, and few dashes of white pepper. Mix everything together and that's your sauce.
So is your clam a fresh clam or is a frozen clam?
While I prefer fresh clams, but for cooking I prefer frozen ones. It's more practical.
So you don't have to do any cleaning, eh?
That's right.
And how are you going to cook this beautiful clam?
This is a stir fry dish, okay? And this will go with your beer. This is a drinking food.
Oh.
But if you want to eat it with rice, just put more water so you get more sauce.
No, I like it with beer.
Okay, cool. In a very hot wok, put in enough oil to stir fry the ginger, the garlic, and the spring onions. We're going to put the gingers first because it'll take more time to cook. Keep stirring the ginger until it's fragrant.
So what's next after the ginger?
So once the ginger is fragrant, put in the garlic and do the same thing with wait until it's fragrant.
Okay, cool.
And after that, just put the spring onion stalks. After the spring onion is half cooked, you can put in the clams. You don't need to cook the spring onion thoroughly because we're still cooking everything together, so we don't want it to be too soggy, too soft.
Okay.
Nobody likes a soft one.
Yes, I know. How long are you going to cook the clam for?
Approximately 3 minutes, but after you put in the clams, you can put in the sauce.
Okay.
Mix them together so it absorbs the sauce.
Alright.
And then cook for about 3 minutes after that.
Okay.
So after about 3 minutes, put in a mixer of 1 teaspoon of cornstarch with a little bit of water. Mix them up together and put it in the wok. Stir them up. You want to make the sauce a little bit thick so it sticks to the clam.
And good for beer.
Yeah. Sticky clams.
Sticky clams.
After the sauce is thick enough, you can put in the sliced spring onion leaves, stir them up, and you're done.
This recipe is so easy, and I'm definitely waiting for a beer now.
Yeah, cold beer will be good, right?
Absolutely.
Alright, enjoy sucking the clams. I hope you guys like it. Selamat makan.
Selamat makan.